Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about a very useful tool in English called sequencers. Sequencers are words that help us organize our thoughts and communicate more clearly. They are especially helpful when we want to give instructions, describe a process, or tell a story. Remember the colors; they can help you understand the sentences. Imagine that you want to tell a friend how to make your favorite sandwich. You could just list the ingredients, but wouldn't it be clearer if you explained the steps in order? That's where sequencers come in. Words like first, next, then, after that, and finally guide the listener or reader through the process step by step. Here's what we'll cover today. 1. What are sequencers? We'll define sequencers and look at some common examples. 2. Why use sequencers? We'll discuss how they make our communication clearer and more organized. 3. How to use sequencers? We'll practice using sequencers in different contexts like daily routines, cooking, and more. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use sequencers confidently to describe any process or sequence of events. Let's get started and make our English even more precise and engaging. Before we dive into the lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more practical English lessons. Let's explain what sequencers are. First is used to indicate the beginning of a sequence. Next indicates the following step. Then is used to show what happens after next. After that indicates a step that follows another or comes next. Finally is used to indicate the last step of a sequence. Let's dive into the examples. Listen and repeat after me. Morning routine examples. First, I wake up and brush my teeth. Next, I take a shower. Then, I have breakfast. After that, I get dressed. Finally, I leave for work. Cooking a meal examples. First, I gather all the ingredients. Next, I chop the vegetables. Then, I heat the pan. After that, I cook the vegetables. Finally, I serve the meal. Exercise routine examples. First, I do some stretching. Next, I go for a run. Then, I do some strength training. After that, I cool down with some light stretching. Finally, I take a shower. Daily work tasks examples. First, I check my emails. Next, I attend a team meeting. Then, I work on my project. After that, I take a lunch break. Finally, I finish up any tasks. Evening relaxation examples. First, I have dinner. Next, I watch some TV. Then, I read a book. After that, I prepare for bed. Finally, I go to sleep. Cleaning routine examples. First, I gather all my cleaning supplies. Next, I dust the furniture. Then, I vacuum the floor. After that, I wipe down the surfaces. Finally, I take out the trash. Gardening examples. First, I water the plants. Next, I pull out the weeds. Then, I prune the bushes. After that, I add fertilizer to the soil. Finally, I clean up the garden tools. Grocery shopping examples. First, I make a shopping list. Next, I go to the grocery store. Then, I pick out the items on my list. After that, I check out at the register. Finally, I put the groceries away at home. Preparing for bed examples. First, I brush my teeth. Next, I wash my face. Then, I change into my pajamas. After that, I set my alarm. Finally, I read a book before going to sleep. Weekend outing examples. First, I decide where to go. Next, I pack my bag with essentials. Then, I check the weather forecast. After that, I plan my route. Finally, I head out and enjoy the day. Great job today, everyone. We've covered a lot about sequencers and how they can help us organize our thoughts and communicate more clearly. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We practiced using them in various contexts, from daily routines to cooking and more. Remember, using sequencers is like giving your sentences a roadmap. It helps your listener or reader understand the order of events or steps clearly. Thank you for your participation and hard work. Keep practicing, and you'll find that using sequencers becomes second nature. See you in the next lesson, where we'll continue to build on these skills and learn even more ways to improve our English. Have a great day.